Welcome, everyone, to today's episode where we're diving deep into the fascinating world of evolutionary paradoxes and entropic principles. Bethuel, are you ready for this mind-bending journey?
Absolutely, Sylvia. I've been looking forward to this. It's like trying to understand the universe with a teaspoon, but let's give it a shot.
Exactly. Let's start with a concept brought to life by Mr. Ngwenya from Zala Secondary. He described the human brain as a galaxy cluster, vast and interconnected. Each memory, a star emitting faint Hawking radiation.
That's a vivid image. So, a traumatic memory would be a chaotic event, increasing entropy, right? Intensifying that Hawking radiation.
Precisely. But then comes the interesting part. Emotional release. Processing the trauma, accepting it. According to Mr. Ngwenya, that's where we see thermodynamic time asymmetry. Entropy decreases as the galaxy cluster reorganizes.
So, the star dims, but it leaves behind a gravitational lens of olfactory memory or any other sensory memory that triggers a flashback.
Yes. It's almost like memories are encoded by sensory experiences. He then related it to Schrödinger's cat, explaining how unprocessed trauma is a superposition of states.
Okay, I'm following. So unprocessed trauma is like the cat being both dead and alive. What happens when it's processed?
Emotional release collapses the wave function, leading to resolution, a more ordered, less entropic state. Evolution, according to Mr. Ngwenya, favors this efficiency.
But here's the kicker, Sylvia. If evolution favors efficiency, why do evolutionary paradoxes persist? Why do we have certain emotional responses that seem inefficient?
Exactly. That's the million-dollar question. Are these inefficient responses holdovers from earlier stages of evolution? Are they serving a purpose we don't fully understand?
Perhaps it's that survival and logical efficiency are not always the same thing. Maybe some level of irrationality is advantageous in particular circumstances.
That is a good point. Think about the evolutionary advantage of love and compassion. At times, it might appear extremely illogical.
Right. The challenge is to try and understand the evolutionary roots of these behaviors, even if they seem counterintuitive on the surface.
Exactly. It's all about digging deeper to understand how our brains mirror the complexities of the universe.